So guys, we are expecting one-of-one McLaren to be running this motor track, and as you can see, there's a few of cars, mostly JDMs already over here, and it's getting very exciting. McLaren. Absolute plus. Let's see the other rides that are coming over here, and it's McLaren, another McLaren, Porsche 911. That's a 4GT Viper, and this is the one that I've been looking for, the McLaren limited edition one-of-one. Wow! So it's very lovely. But, there's a big screen behind us showing the event going on, so I can explain you the adrenaline, from these car engines. So let's check out how's the McLaren's track.
Very busy booth all weekend long. We've got Kendra Adams and Jessica Power with their race cars. Meet and greet there continuing.
So guys, the McLaren one-of-one will be coming here on the track anytime. So let's see as it makes its way. So guys, we're trying to go closer to the race cars and show you an unreal experience. Let's try to get our way down, and hopefully from here there's going to be a view of the race cars. So guys, we're just waiting for the McLaren Elva to show up. Here's the GT90, 2.3 turbocharged, and as you can see, the crowd is wild. Loads and loads of people here recording the session. And again, it's a very fun day to be here at Drive Fest. Full power. Sorry guys. Amazing. And we're going for a lunch break. We should be back.
Absolutely amazing.
So
Angelo, thank you very much for that trip.
What's the next schedule for the events?
We spoke about this when we got down the other end, how smooth this engine car is.
So we'll be going and checking out some other race cars.
We're going again.
And again, you can see the mad queues over here that were enjoying the motorsport runs over here. So guys, the queues are just wild, and you can see the Nissan Z safety car over here along with the other rides. Quite insane. The 4GT, McLaren, and the most famous Elva. So we all have been waiting for this awesome ride, and it was a very lovely track day with this McLaren Elva and the other cars. So please make sure to visit while you're here and enjoy these awesome cars.
The electric cars of the S's and most of the Andretti straightaway. And as we look across from our announce booth, looks like a couple of more vehicles about to head out on a test drive. Cars lining up down at Moss Corner, and again,
check out the other
about 15 minutes remaining here on the here into the staging area back of the tower.
So we're getting another run over here, all these awesome cars. So let's see Acura NSX. we have the McLaren coming, showing up. McLaren followed by GT90. And 911 Turbo. Just blowing the mind, you know, subhanallah. Amazing weather, amazing track, amazing cars over here. And this is just a bonus round before the lunch. Let's see the, and no, this is the 650, 750S. Followed by the McLaren.
Behind the wheel of that absolutely gorgeous number 11 McLaren Elba as he
So that was the last round for the McLaren, and let's try and explore the other pavilions over here and check out if you can sit and get a ride in one of these cars.